Hi, I got a question. In your business, do you want extra buyers that are red hot to come knocking at your door? Do you want to do it when it's very, very inexpensive and actually will drop your advertising costs by maybe up to 60%? Do you want to be the first company that people go to when they search on Google? Well, you've come to the right place. My name is Greg King, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to get to the top of Google search results using the 5-step ranking videos #1 for free formula. Now in this video, I'm going to share with you the 5 steps of how you can rank videos #1 for free on Google. And in a moment, I'm going to give you some examples that are extremely powerful and how this formula, this system, completely works now that there's been a shift in buying. Now, with all this COVID-19 concerns hopefully behind us, we've noticed a huge shift in the way people are now shopping. You know, one time they'd go to your service or your retail outlet and they go belly to belly and be in person. Now, we're noticing that probably over 70% of people are now searching online first to decide where they're going to go. Then they're going to do another search just to see how effective the store is and how quality and full of integrity the store is. And those two platforms are Google and YouTube, the #1, 2 platforms in the world. Now, the great thing about it is people don't go to Google just to browse and kick tires. They're red hot buyers. They're going to a certain specific search for an item. And these people are probably 9 or 10 out of 10 as a hot buyer. Then what they're going to do is they're going to go to YouTube and they're going to check you out and see if you're credible and you've got integrity and what other people have been saying about you. Now the great thing about it is, I'm going to I'm going to actually show how you can get access to this program with a link in the description and also down below. And you can check it out yourself and decide if it makes sense or not. You be the judge. I can tell you by the examples I'm going to give you, this is incredibly powerful. It'll get you in front of millions of buyers and of people needing your service. You'll also be a major force in your industry because with Google and with YouTube, if you put videos up, and that's the #1 way of going now, that they'll give you some love and they'll see you an authority in your field and they'll start to channel your videos together. And I'll show you that on the first page how I got 80% of the top rankings, and it's all done for free. So you're going to have 2 major parts of your business that are flexible. Everything else is static. These 2 are variables. One is your wages, and the other is your advertising costs. And this, once again, is another bonus that if you can drop your advertising costs, because it takes nothing to do other than making a video that could be 10 or 15 minutes, and the more videos you do, the more authority you'll have. I'll show you how effective this system can be and how easy it is to use and how you can on the first page relatively within minutes stay there, and it works every single time. Now, the first example is an organically posted video that I did that went first page on YouTube. It went on first ranking, first page on Google, first ranking, plus first on the Google carousel. And that was done in just minutes, and it's all ranked for free. And as you know, you can see it was done in 16 minutes. And that's jumping ahead of people that have been doing, been actually posting and having this climb up organically for up to 2 years. And once again, this is all organic, this is all for free. The second example, once again, first page on YouTube, first ranking, first page on Google, first ranking, plus the first page the first position in the carousel. Once again, all organic, all for free, and all ranked within minutes. The third example, once again, I'm sounding like a broken record. I just wanted to exemplify and show you that this is consistently #1. And once again, it's on #1 ranking on the first page of YouTube, first page #1 on Google, first in line on the carousel, and once again in minutes and all ranked for free. Next one, same thing. First page, first ranking, first page, first ranking. Now, you can see how effective this could be for business if you can actually be in front of 70% of the people that are going online searching for a product or service, and you bump out to be number one in the search. Now, the next example was actually pretty crazy, and that was I posted this and it went to number 4 in just 1 minute. Now, when Google and YouTube see videos going out, they give it a little bit of love and they start to combine the videos together. And what happened here is not only did I get the 4th ranking, but YouTube is saying, hey, this guy is a bit of a force in his niche. Let's bump this up as well. And which comes down to this is I get first page, I get number 1 ranking, I get number 3, number 4, number 5 rankings in my niche. And basically 80% of the first page is me. Can you see how you could make your business explode when people are searching for that niche, whether it be winterizing your plumbing at Christmas time, or the 10 steps of how you look after your plumbing when you go on holidays or whatever. And you know, this stuff just kind of, it organically grassroots grows, and YouTube and Google will make it all lumped together, and it's just it's incredibly powerful. And also, this is all done by the formula that I'm going to put in the link, and once again below and in the video itself. Now, the 8th example is pretty powerful. Is I Googled how to promote your business on social media in 2020 fast and free. You know, I don't remember what all I did, but it said with the affiliate tube success reviews. Now, what's happened is Google now sees that I put videos out that now I'm ranking in the carousel 1, 2, 3. I've got an incredible stranglehold on this search, and it's at the very top of the search. And even when putting in a slightly different search in, everything comes up me. Now, once again, it's all about me. Is if that was you with your business, it would it would make a huge difference in attracting new buyers and creating a force in your industry. It can be done locally, it can be done internationally, it can be done with any product. It's once again, it's the system. I would strongly urge you to check it out and see if it makes sense or not. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, please hit the like button, the subscribe button, and leave a comment. And for sure, do not miss out on Paul Murphy's link.